Embedding a document within your blog is really easy, and this is especially useful when you're in your Drive, your Google Drive, to put in a document, especially that might be a chart or a Google presentation, and it actually is live within your blog. So you can be working on the document and it systematically and simultaneously changes in your blog. So a very convenient one. I've seen teachers put their weekly homework or weekly plans in there, and it appears as a chart that they're able to change at any time. So you need to be in your post. So I've just went to add a new post, embedding a Google Doc in your blog, and then I'm just going to go to the base part of that blog and make sure it's in the text rather than the visual. Then I'm going to navigate to my Google presentation as well, and if you go to the file at the far left, you'll notice there's an option to publish to the web. Click on that publish to the web, and then you'll notice there's an embed code here. So I'm going to take that embed code and I'm going to copy it, and you'll notice that you can have the size, presentation size can be variable. So here I'm going to actually choose it to be a medium and see how that works out. You'll see how big the frame is there. So if it were small, 480 by 299, 960 by 569, and 1440 by 839. So as I said, I'm just going to choose the medium, and I've already chose the embed, and then I'm going to navigate back to my blog and I'm going to paste. And then I think I'm just going to give it a quick view as well. So I've just gone to preview that, and you'll see there's the blog title and there's the presentation in there. And it's very convenient that you can see it, and within this there's a navigational menu. So there you go. And you can just make it larger or smaller. So that's very convenient if you're wanting students, public, teachers, whatever, to access your blog. This time I'm going to show how to embed a Google Doc. And you can see it's very convenient if you've got pictures or words or charts that you can input. Once again, I'm going to go to the Publish to the Web. I'm going to say Start Publishing. You can read those requirements there. Control Publishing requires viewers to sign in. For this, I don't want it to be that, because I've got a totally public website. I want it to just publish when you see it. Start publishing, and then once again you'll see that I'll get this embed code, and that's what I want. There it is. I'm going to copy this, copy, and then close. Once again, I'm going to go back to my edit the post. Now that's that sample one I did beforehand, and now I'm going to do this one. There I've got the embed code there, and I'm going to update. Now with this one, you'll notice that it didn't give me the option in the document for doing small, medium, or large. And I want to look at the frame. I'm just going to show where the frame is. You can adjust the frame of this particular one. So I'm just going to go through that and update, and then preview the changes. So I've embedded the first one from this document here, and I know I just wanted to show how it looks in there. So if you go, there was my original document, but if you just put it in as the default, it's really not big enough, and you can see it's a little annoying there. So that's not appropriate for my purposes or probably yours. So what I did is I experimented with some of the sizes of the screen. So I tried one where I just put in this area, I put in the height and the width that I want to adjust. And as well, I tried it here as well, the same, just a bit bigger. So if you go here, you'll see that there was the original, and then here is the next size I tried, and there's the next size. So depending on what you need, you might have to adjust the sizes with that. And as well, you'll notice that you can also, this was the default of the Google presentation. You can also add some of these other features, some of the computer language, I guess you'd say, the allow full screen, the Mozilla full screen, and then this full screen. So by adding that in, you would be able to adjust the way it's viewed. So give that a try. It does offer a lot of features in the viewability, and as I said, when you're working from the documents, once that embed code is there, you're able to edit that live document, and then with just a little bit of lag time, it will appear on your blog.